In the name of Allah, hello students, welcome to our class today. I hope you're doing great as usual. Students, in the before lesson we have discussed about the computer's history. In this lesson, we will have a discuss about the computer's generation or computer of generation. Students, it's the fifth lesson. If you forget the before lessons, please go to our playlist and see them. They are useful for you. Students, the generation in computer technology is a change in technology a computer is or was being used. Initially, the generation term was used to distinguish between varying hardware technologies. Nowadays, generation includes both hardware and software, which together make up an entire computer system. There are five computer generations known till date. Each generation has been discussed in the detail along with their time period and characteristics in the following table or in the following page. Approximate dates against each generation has been mentioned, which are normally accepted. Following are the main five generation of computer. Let's to have a discuss about all computer generation one by one. Before that, students, please subscribe our YouTube channel and enjoy from our videos. Students, we have, as I said, you five generation of the computer: the first generation, the second generation, the third generation, the fourth generation, and the fifth generation. Let's have a discuss about the period of first generation. Students, this generation made in the 1943 to 1956. It called the students that name it vacuum tube based because the usage material in this computer was vacuum tube. Students, the it computer was very strong in the weight. This computer, which was more than 5 tons, and the length of this computer was 15.5 meter, and the width of this computer was 0.61 meter, and the height of this computer was 2.4 meter, and the speed of this computer was six simple question or simple calculation in the few minutes. And the usage of the lamp in this computer or vacuum tube was the 800 as you're thinking here. The next generation in computer was the students the period of second generation. This computer or this generation made in 1959 to 1965, and also this computer called it the transistor based because the usage material or the usage hardware was transistor, and this because the size of this computer was very short because the inside the vacuum tube lamps they use the transistor. The next one, students, is the period of third generation. This computer made in the 1965 to 1971. This computer called it integrated circuit based because they collected the transistors in a box and they call it that integrated circuit. The next one, students, these computers, the fourth generation and the fifth generation, I think are familiar with us. The period of fourth generation made in the 1971 to 1980. This computer call it VLSI microprocessor based. The VLSI means very large scales integration. Students, the next one is the period of fifth generation. Students, this computer made in 1982 honor or in until 2 days. This computer called or name it ULSI, or ULSI means ultra large scale integration. And this computer call it or name it ultra large scale integration microprocessor based. Okay, students, it was our lesson today. Please pay attention to your homework. The first question of your homework is who's known as father of modern computer. The next one, research about the characteristic of computers generation 1 2 up to 5th generation, and the last question is research about the computer history in Afghanistan. Also, students, the first question and the third question is your before question because you didn't answer the question in the comments. Also, I bring them again. Tomorrow we will start our lesson from the types of computer. Okay, students, have a good time, good luck. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.